Alright guys, so I usually like to start my mornings really relaxing. Before I go to work, I'll eat some breakfast. Sometimes I just have time for coffee, but I was just hanging out today on the couch, eating breakfast. It depends on the time that I'm needed for my nanny job. So some mornings I have more time and some mornings I have less time, but this morning I had a lot of time because she didn't really need me until later. So that was kind of nice. So I got quite a few things done this morning. I usually like to wash my kitchen gloves with my dish soap, so that's how I wash them off. Kind of like I'm washing my hands. But anyway, I'll just get the few dishes put away and just get the counters wiped down with my Clorox wipes just because it's really fast and easy. So I'll just do a really quick wipe down of the counters. And I usually like to run my diffuser in the morning with like an uplifting scent like peppermint or something like that, you know, just like a very uplifting scent in there. So, and then I'll try to take the trash out. Usually we don't take the trash out all the time because we don't have that much trash, but when it is full I usually try to take it out before I go. That way I don't have to think about it tonight. And then I'll make the bed. And then the laundry that I folded the night before, I'll get that put away. It was just a bunch of towels and stuff like that, so that was really easy laundry to get put away. And then I try to do a quick vacuum. I live in an apartment on the very top floor, so I have neighbors below me, and I try to be aware of my vacuuming times just in case they can hear it. I just try to be a courteous neighbor because I've had someone above me before too. So yeah, just a quick vacuum and say goodbye to the dogs, and I'm headed out the door. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed my morning routine before I go to work. Sometimes I chop up my vegetables for my HelloFresh meal and sometimes I don't. Just kind of depends on how much time I have. So hope you enjoyed. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, live life in full bloom, and I will see you guys later. Bye!